Welcome to our educational overview of industrial engineering and manufacturing processes. Let's begin by understanding what industrial engineering is and why it's crucial in today's manufacturing landscape. Industrial engineering is a branch of engineering focused on optimizing complex processes, systems, and organizations. It aims to increase efficiency, improve quality, and cut costs in production systems, indispensable principles in modern manufacturing. Throughout this video, we'll explore the core principles of industrial engineering, delve into various manufacturing processes, and hear from industry experts about real-world applications and future trends. By gaining a foundational understanding of these concepts, you'll better appreciate the role of industrial engineering in advancing manufacturing practices. You'll see how efficiency, productivity, and quality control are pivotal in shaping robust manufacturing processes. Stay with us as we uncover how industrial engineering bridges theoretical engineering principles and practical manufacturing applications, paving the way for a more efficient and innovative industry future. Industrial engineering is the backbone of modern manufacturing, founded on principles like efficiency, productivity, quality control, and systems optimization. These concepts enable engineers to enhance production processes by using resources optimally, minimizing waste, and maximizing output. Productivity focuses on increasing the production rate without compromising quality, ensured by stringent quality control. Systems optimization ties these principles together, creating harmonious processes. As we explore these core principles, we'll uncover how they guide every aspect of industrial engineering, driving continuous improvements and innovations in manufacturing. Next, we'll delve into the various manufacturing processes that embody these principles, showcasing their real-world applications and impact. In this segment, we dive into the heart of manufacturing processes. What exactly are manufacturing processes? They are the essential steps through which raw materials are transformed into final products, forming the backbone of industrial engineering. These processes are not mere routines. They ensure goods are made efficiently and to high standards. There are numerous types of manufacturing processes, each with specific applications. From casting and molding that shape raw materials to joining techniques like welding and assembly that bring parts together, each process has a unique role. Understanding these various manufacturing processes is crucial for any industrial engineer. They allow for innovation, quality control, and optimization in modern manufacturing. We'll explore real-world applications and gain insights from industry experts, bridging theory and practice. This journey through manufacturing mechanisms has only just begun. Welcome to our segment featuring expert insights into the world of industrial engineering. Today, we have the privilege of hearing from a seasoned industry professional who will shed light on the significance of industrial engineering and its real-world applications. Industrial engineering transforms complex manufacturing processes into models of efficiency and quality. Our expert will discuss how these principles are applied across various industries, showcasing their impact on modern manufacturing landscapes. From streamlining production lines to optimizing systems, industrial engineering ensures resources are efficiently utilized while maintaining high standards. This segment highlights real-world examples where industrial engineering practices have significantly improved productivity and cost-effectiveness. As we navigate through these insights, you'll understand how industrial engineering not only enhances operational efficiency but also drives innovation. Stay with us as we explore these critical elements and the profound influence of industrial engineering on our everyday lives. Industrial engineering principles are applied in various manufacturing processes to improve efficiency and productivity. Let's delve into some compelling real-world examples showcasing these applications. For instance, a leading automotive manufacturing plant adopted industrial engineering techniques to streamline their assembly line, significantly reducing production time while maintaining quality. Another case study involves a pharmaceutical company optimizing their supply chain through meticulous process analysis, enhancing the speed and accuracy of product deliveries. These practical applications highlight the versatility of industrial engineering and underscore its critical role in fostering innovation and competitiveness. Efficiency improvements lead to cost savings, time reductions, and higher quality outputs. From intricate robotics integration to lean manufacturing practices, each example reinforces the profound impact of industrial engineering in manufacturing. Moving forward, you'll see how these principles address common challenges in manufacturing, bridging theoretical concepts and practical solutions. Manufacturing processes often face challenges requiring innovative solutions. Today, our expert will delve into these challenges, such as supply chain disruptions and maintaining quality standards. Industrial engineers play a key role in implementing practical solutions to address these issues head-on, using their deep understanding of engineering principles to innovate and optimize processes. What does it take to move from theoretical frameworks to tangible improvements on the shop floor? Our expert will shed light on this critical aspect, sharing successful strategies that have transformed manufacturing practices into more efficient and productive operations. As we uncover these solutions, you'll see how theory is applied in real-world scenarios, driving significant advancements in the industry. Stay with us as we explore the impact of these solutions. Discussing how industrial engineering has revolutionized efficiency, reduced costs, and improved quality in manufacturing. As we delve deeper into the world of manufacturing, we see industrial engineering's transformational impact. It acts as a cornerstone, driving efficiency gains that streamline operations and minimize waste. Strategic cost reductions optimize resources for maximum return on investment, while quality improvements elevate the standards of products and processes. This synergy of efficiency, cost management, and quality illustrates the profound influence of industrial engineering. As pioneers in this field, we consistently seek ways to bridge theoretical principles with practical applications, advancing the manufacturing landscape. Moving ahead, we'll uncover future trends and technologies set to redefine industrial engineering. The field of industrial engineering is constantly evolving. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced automation will drive future innovations, enhancing efficiency, reducing costs, and improving quality at an unprecedented scale. Future applications will feature smart factories interconnected through the Internet of Things, where machines communicate seamlessly to optimize production processes in real time. Additive manufacturing, or 3D printing, will revolutionize custom parts production, enabling rapid prototyping and reducing lead times. Big data analytics will offer deeper insights into manufacturing processes, allowing for predictive maintenance and minimizing downtime. Cyber-physical systems will foster the convergence of the digital and physical worlds, leading to more adaptable and resilient production environments. Sustainable practices, such as green engineering and circular economy principles, will address environmental concerns and promote resource efficiency. Reflecting on these trends, it's clear industrial engineering will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of manufacturing. Stay tuned for further insights as we discuss expert predictions for this dynamic field's future. As we prepare for the next chapter in manufacturing, expert insights are invaluable. Today, we're privileged to hear from a leading voice in the field, delving into the future of manufacturing and the landscape transformed by technological advancements. We'll explore predictions highlighting the integration of smart technologies and automation, envisioning highly efficient future factories. The impact of AI, robotics, and IoT will be profound, shaping an ever-evolving industry. Our expert emphasizes the crucial role of industrial engineering in bridging innovation and practical application, ensuring sustainable growth and development. These insights offer a glimpse into the future and underscore the importance of staying ahead in this ever-changing manufacturing environment. As we conclude, reflect on how these technological waves will propel us forward. The future holds immense promise, driven by innovations and expertise within industrial engineering. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the evolving world of manufacturing. As we draw to a close, let's reflect on the journey through the realm of industrial engineering. From understanding its fundamental principles to exploring real-world applications and future trends, we've seen how vital this field is to modern manufacturing. Industrial engineering is not just about improving efficiency or cutting costs, it's about creating more resilient, adaptable, and productive systems. It's about innovation, problem-solving, and continually pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We hope this comprehensive overview has enhanced your understanding and appreciation of industrial engineering. We've touched on key concepts, industry challenges, and the immense impact this field has on manufacturing processes. The significance of industrial engineering can't be overstated. It's a cornerstone of modern manufacturing, driving technological advancement and operational excellence. Whether you're a student, professional, or educator, we encourage you to delve deeper. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey. Continue exploring, learning, and contributing to the fascinating world of industrial engineering. The future holds endless opportunities and innovations waiting to be discovered. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.